and welcome to Current Body. I'm Heather, Current Body's resident product expert, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the new Clarisonic Mia Smart app and how to get set up. You can use the device without the app, as it will just detect which bush head you have connected. We do recommend that you use it with the app, as you can track your progress and you can also take pictures, see results and download routines and have them saved to your phone so that you're ready to go whenever you want. So when you're ready, you can search for the Clarisonic Global app in either the Android or Apple iPhone store, and then when you're ready, just select download. If you did previously download the Clarisonic app, you would need to delete and re-download it again, as they have released some updates. So when you're ready to go, simply press Start Now. This is the option that you select if you don't have a connected device or a Mia Smart. So you can just pop your name in and then proceed to do the skin quiz. We do have a Mia Smart here, so we're going to go ahead and start connecting our device. So you need to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on the phone settings. You attach a bush head and then hold down the power button on the device. So here is a small section where you can just see a few things that Clarisonic can do. So it gives you a bit of guidance for attaching bush heads, also charging the device, how to change through the different settings and when to change your bush head. So when it's ready to be replaced, you'll get this little red marker, and also what smart mode does. So now we're going to go through the skin quiz so that we can work out what our skin type is. My Clarisonic experience is a devotee. I am an experienced Clarisonic user. When you first get your new Mia Smart, soft start is automatically enabled, which means that the power is slightly reduced and it gently ramps up over the course of 2 weeks. You can deactivate this feature if you have previously used a Clarisonic device or any other sonic facial cleansing device. So what is your skin type? My skin type is combination. What is your top priority for your skincare routine? I like results. I keep my makeup simple. What is your number one skin goal? More radiant, glowing skin. So the perfect routine for the results you want. It gives you a guidance for a routine. It is usually designed to be used with the bush head that you get with the Mia Smart device, which is a radiance bush head. So it tells you what you need: cleanser, your Mia Smart, your daily radiance bush head, and then step by step it's going to talk you through your routine. So this is if you're not using it with Bluetooth. It gives you a guidance for how long you split the minute cleanse. So when we're ready, we're going to send this routine to the device. Here in your dashboard it shows you how often you've used it, how many days in a row you've used it for, and what you've achieved. So it will tell you when you need to cleanse. It'll give you a few other notifications as well based on what you're doing. So you can add and delete routines throughout your experience, and it depends on what brush head you're using as well. So if you want to add a new routine, we can select from a couple of preloaded ones, or you can make your own. So you can set reminders for when to cleanse. You can edit these times as well, just to make sure that you stay on track with your routine. So if you can just look at the bottom, you can see that there's 4 different icons which tell you a few different things. The more you cleanse, the more you use your Clarisonic, the more trophies you'll get. We also have a little bit of information about the device. So it says product shelf. This is where you can add in what attachments you have, and it will tell you when you last synced the device, and also the battery life that you have remaining as well, which is really helpful. So you can add in any of the brush heads that are previously and currently available. We then have a few library videos which are perfect for kind of giving you a few tips on how to use your Clarisonic. So it'll tell you how to cleanse with the Mia Smart, and also a little bit more information about things like removing face masks and how to do double cleansing. So that's all from me, but if you do have any questions at all, don't hesitate to get in touch with me at sales@currentbody.com. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media with the links below.